So, guys, biochemistry, especially the part of the biochemistry which is dealing with metabolism, is nothing without pathways, without chemical reactions or biochemical reactions which are taking place in our bodies. But if I asked you, what is the most important component? What is the most important molecule without which this reaction won't occur? Without which this reaction cannot be regulated? Without understanding of these molecules, we can't understand the very mechanism of these reactions. Which is that molecule? What those molecules are known as? Yes, think. Yes, you are right. Enzymes. They are the molecular machineries, the molecules which are involved, which are responsible for the biochemical reactions to occur. So, understanding enzyme, understanding their action, understanding their structure is hugely important. If you see our course syllabus, the content of our course, the major portion of this course is dedicated to enzymes, which shows how important it is to understand enzymes. Also, not only the studying enzymes tell us about the mechanism of chemical reactions, also you must see that enzymes, if any defect occurs in these molecules, it will have clinical relevance also. So understanding the enzymes, their structure, their function is not only of importance for basic biology or basic biochemistry, it also have therapeutic importance. So I will recommend you that during all these lectures in which we will be discussing enzymes, you will be giving your maximum focus. Now let's talk about enzymes in a little bit more detail. Enzymes, as you already know, you have been knowing it from your high school, that one of the major function of enzyme is to accelerate a biochemical reaction or a chemical reaction. But that is not the only thing which enzymes do. They play a very fundamental role in the conversion of reactant into product. They not only enhance the reaction, but the reactant could not be converted into product if enzymes were not there. And also another important thing which we will be discussing again and again throughout this course is that enzymes are involved in the regulation of a chemical reaction. Almost all the metabolic pathways, they are regulated by enzymes. A hallmark of enzymes, if you ask me what is the most important property of enzyme, I would say it's specificity. They are highly specific. If there are 4 enzymes, enzyme A, enzyme B, enzyme C, and enzyme D, it cannot happen that enzyme A replace enzyme B or enzyme B replace enzyme C and start working for enzyme C. Enzymes are highly specific. They perform their function with absolute specificity and accuracy. And it is because of the structural aspects of the enzyme, which we will see later, that gives rise to this specificity. There are thousands of different types of enzymes in our body, in our cells, and these different types of enzymes are controlling, stimulating, regulating, and inhibiting all sorts of biochemical reactions. Also, you should know that enzymes, they are protein in nature. So the very structural aspects of the enzyme are because of the very flexibility in the structure formation which is involved in protein formations. I mean, proteins are highly flexible molecules. So enzyme owe to its diversity of function, owe to its specificity, to its very nature that it is made up of proteins. And as a result of this, the enzyme have also one property, that they are reusable. You can't say that this enzyme has been used, it's gone now. No, it can be used again and again and again and again, thousands of times, millions of times, until and unless it gets degraded. I have already told you that, and I will be telling you again and again in many more lectures also, that enzymes are not only the molecules which are involved in the formation of products, or molecules which are involved in the pacing up the biochemical reactions. They are controlling the reactions, and this control is highly important. Without control, we can't do anything. If I can't even speak, if the biochemical reactions which are leading to, which are contributing towards my ability to speak, if those reactions are not controlled by enzymes, I can't even speak, I can't even think, you can't even listen. So if we digest the food, one of the most important factor as far as our survival is concerned, we can't, if the enzymes are not there, the food cannot be digested, its digestion cannot be controlled. Transformation of energy, conservation of chemical energy in our body, that also is governed by certain enzymes. Then smaller molecules join together to make bigger molecules, even bigger machineries known as complex molecules, or protein complexes. They are also regulated by enzymes. This formation is also regulated by enzymes. Then they have importance in the diseases also. Any defect in the enzyme will have medical relevance. Many important medical diseases or disorders arise because of the defects in the enzymes. Defects in tyrosine kinase, defects in GPCR related proteins, defect in the enzymes which are involved in kinase reactions. Any of these enzymes, if it gets defected, it will give rise to a disorder. So it has application in industry, in medical. In industry, you know that many chemicals are formed because of chemical reactions, whether this is beverage industry, whether it's food industry, whether it's whatever you take the name. Any industry which depends upon biochemical stuff, either reactants are from biology source or the products are coming out of the source which are biological in nature, the enzyme will be very important there. So they have their industrial importance. Then in medicine, of course, you can somehow engineer enzymes. You can make use of the enzymes which kill the microorganisms. They promote the wound healing. Whatever processes are involved in the healing of the wound, of course, they cannot happen without the support from the enzymes, without the action of the enzymes. Then they act as marker molecules for the diagnosis of certain diseases. So that's why you check your hemoglobin level, you check your levels of different sort of enzymes in your simple diagnostic tests to see that what sort of diseases or what sort of medical problems your body may have. So in conclusion, they are vital. enzymes are vital. Almost all the biochemical reactions depend upon enzymes. So it's of highest importance that we really understand how they act. Understanding their mechanism is not only of biological importance, not only of important as far as understanding the biology of reaction is concerned, but also it has commercial as well as what we say medical benefits.